Hi traders, welcome to live analysis. Today is March 4th, it's Monday, and we will cover euro dollar and pound dollar. Before we start, have in mind that foreign exchange trading carries a high level of risk that is not suitable for all investors. And also, everything you see here is my personal opinion only. Please educate yourselves on the risks associated with forex trading and seek advice from an independent financial or tax advisor if you have any questions. Also, on these web addresses, you can sign up for more webinars, live education, and live trading webinars. So let's start with euro dollar and pound dollar. As you can see from the chart on the euro dollar, the price is going in both directions. First of all, we had a congestion that resulted in some not very strong uptrend. Then on Friday, the price tanked down. It was basically head and shoulders pattern. And now it's still like the price is ranging. Now I can say that 13.15 is still a big support. Also, I think that the price could be bought on the dip again, because if it drops here, it could probably make a U-turn and then be bought again towards upper borders. So I might say that euro dollar is still in a ranging mode. There is no clear direction at this point. So anywhere from, let's say, 13.15 and 13.20, 25, we might see a rejection. However, you need to be very careful, because if the price breaks this level and hits this daily support that is 12.95, it should put the pair into a bearish trend. So then sell on rallies will be the option. And again, next level, if it breaks and hits 12.95, next level for a possible sell would be 13.15, because support that is broken becomes a resistance, and the price usually follows to that resistance and then retests it to proceed further down. Final target, however, for the day is definitely this 13.30. So according to ATR, according to Confluence. So I would say wait for the price to get here and see the reaction. If it breaks below 13.15, watch 12.95 and probable retest of 13.15, because then the price might proceed further down. However, if something else happens, for example, if the price spikes to the upside, this is the level to watch for, 13.93 to 13.98, because this is the final resistance for the day. And if the price gets here, again, I think that it will probably be rejected and fresh sellers might emerge. So watch for this. The pair is still in ranging mode. We don't have a clear trend, but either way, watch these levels that I mentioned. Let's move on to the GBP dollar now. On the GBP dollar, we can see a gap that appeared during the weekend. However, the pair is still in uptrend, so I expect the pair to be bought on the dip. If the price closes this gap, we might see an upside reaction. So pay attention to these levels, 32.17, and also the bottom of the confluence, 31.95. So this is the zone where the price might get rejected if it gets hit. However, this is a V-shaped reversal. So for V-shaped reversal, the biggest momentum push will happen if the price closes above this trend line confluence 32.50. So this is an X cross. We have a trend line here, but we also see that there is a daily H3 level. So we call it an X cross, and if the price closes above this X cross here, it should proceed further up, testing 32.88, and the final projection for the day 33.30. However, for that to happen, a close above 32.50 is needed on 1 hour or 4 hour chart. And if the price drops below 32.17, watch, as I already explained, this level here. I will mark it. So anywhere from 31.90 to 32.17, watch for some reversal patterns. if the price makes a reversal pattern, it will probably retest this trend line. But either way, a close above this X cross is needed for the price to proceed further up. The final projection for the day for bears and to the bearish side is actually 31.40. You can see an order block here. We will drop a little bit lower. So this is 31.40, 47, 31.42. So we might say this is the final projection for the day. However, if the price gets here, again, we might see a possible spike to the upside, a bounce, because guys, have in mind that this is still heavy uptrend here. You see another V-shaped reversal similar to this one, and there is still more room till next resistance. So in my opinion, of course, pound is very exposed to the headline risk, so any Brexit mention might spike the price up or down. But technically speaking, the price is still in uptrend, and we might see buying on the dip if technical analysis is respected. I hope that you enjoyed this analysis. I wish you a great trading day. Talk to you soon. Cheers and trade safe.